Brother, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt your car key is just a boring piece of metal you turn and forget? Most drivers think that way. They start the engine, drive off, and never think twice. But what if I tell you your ignition key is smarter than you think? Many car problems start because people do not understand how this key really works. Popular automotive sources like Car and Driver explain that modern ignition systems are designed to protect your engine and electronics. The solution is simple. Use your key with intention, not just habit. A practical tip is to pause 1 second after turning the key before cranking the engine. That small pause lets systems wake up. Stay with me, because the next part will change how you start your car forever. Segment 2. Buddy, here is a fact many drivers miss. When you turn the ignition key, the car runs a quick system check. Sensors, fuel pump, and electronics all come alive. Auto experts often explain this in basic owner manuals that no one reads. If you rush the key, the engine starts before everything is ready. The solution is patience. Let the car finish its internal check. A practical tip is to watch the dashboard lights. Wait until most lights turn off before starting. This protects your engine and battery over time. You do not need tools or money, just better habits. In the next segment, I will show you how this simple step can extend your car life. Segment 3. Brother, here comes some motivation. Taking care of small habits today saves big money tomorrow. Your car rewards gentle treatment. Science from automotive engineers shows smoother starts reduce wear on starter motors. The solution is consistency. Make this gentle start your daily routine. A practical tip is to start the car like you are waking up a friend, not shouting at them. Respect brings longevity. Keep watching, because next we uncover a secret feature many keys hide. Segment 4. Buddy, did you know many ignition keys have built-in security chips? Even older-looking keys often carry smart tech inside. According to popular auto magazines, these chips talk to your car before it allows the engine to run. If the signal is weak or rushed, the engine may hesitate or fail to start. The solution is to keep your key healthy. A practical tip is to avoid heavy keychains. Too much weight damages the ignition switch over time. Up next, I will explain why your key position matters more than you think. Segment 5. Brother, most people twist the key straight to start without stopping at the middle position. That middle position powers accessories and prepares the engine. Engineers design it that way for a reason. The solution is to use every key position correctly. A practical tip is to pause briefly in the accessory position, especially in cold or hot weather. This helps fuel and electronics stabilize. Curious why weather matters so much? The next segment has the answer. Segment 6. Buddy, temperature affects everything. In cold weather, oil thickens and batteries slow down. In hot weather, electronics face extra stress. Automotive science confirms proper ignition timing helps systems adapt. The solution is adjusting your start habit to conditions. A practical tip is to wait a bit longer before starting on extreme days. Motivation time, brother. Smart drivers adapt, not rush. Stay with me. The next secret is one almost no one talks about. Segment 7. Brother, your ignition key can reset minor electronic glitches. Many drivers do not know this. Turning the key to accessory mode for a short time can help clear small system confusion. This tip comes from experienced mechanics shared in popular car forums. The solution is simple awareness. A practical tip is, if your screen or radio acts weird, turn the car off, wait, then restart calmly. Next, I will explain why forcing the key is a big mistake. Segment 8. Buddy, forcing a stiff ignition key damages more than you think. It wears internal parts and can break security communication. Engineers warn against this behavior. The solution is to reduce stress on the ignition. A practical tip is to gently move the steering wheel left and right if the key feels stuck. Never use force. In the next segment, we talk about key care that costs nothing. Segment 9. Brother, motivation moment. Respecting small things builds big reliability. Your key is the handshake between you and your car. Keep it clean and dry. Dirt and moisture interfere with signals. The solution is simple care. A practical tip is to wipe your key once a week and keep it away from water. Stay tuned, because next, we talk about modern push-start systems, and the same secret applies. Segment 10. Buddy, even push-start cars use the same principle. The key or fob still communicates before the engine starts. Auto engineers confirm waiting a second before pressing start improves system response. The solution is patience again. A practical tip is to press start once and wait. Do not tap it repeatedly. Next, I will show how bad habits slowly kill starters. Segment 11. Brother, rapid repeated starts strain the starter motor. Science shows starters are built for short controlled use. The solution is controlled starting. A practical tip is if the engine does not start, wait before trying again. This protects wiring and motors. Curious how this affects long-term costs? The next part explains. Segment 12. Buddy, starter repairs are expensive and avoidable. Most failures come from misuse, not age. Mechanics often say this in interviews and articles. The solution is awareness. A practical tip is to listen to your engine sound. If it struggles, stop and check instead of forcing. Motivation time, brother. Smart drivers listen, impatient ones pay later. The next segment reveals a myth many people believe. Segment 13. Brother, many think turning the key harder helps starting. That is a myth. Ignition systems do not work that way. The solution is gentle precision. A practical tip is smooth, steady turns every time. This keeps parts aligned. Stay with me. The next secret is about teaching new drivers. Segment 14. Buddy, most bad habits are passed down. Parents teach kids to rush the start without explaining why. Automotive educators stress correct habits early. The solution is sharing knowledge. A practical tip is to teach new drivers about waiting and listening. This builds confidence and care. Next, we discuss how this habit helps resale value. Segment 15. Brother, cars with smooth starting history often have healthier engines. Buyers notice this during inspections. The solution is long-term thinking. A practical tip is to treat every start like an investment. Motivation moment. Small discipline creates big value. The final segments will tie everything together. Segment 16. Buddy, your ignition key is not just a tool. It is part of a system designed to protect your car. Understanding this changes how you drive. The solution is respect for design. A practical tip is to slow down your routine. Up next, we wrap all secrets into one rule. Segment 17. Brother, the one rule is simple. Let the car prepare before you demand power. Science, engineers, and mechanics all agree. The solution is patience. A practical tip is count 1 second before starting. That is it. Next, final motivation and wrap up. Segment 18. Buddy, motivation time. Treating your car well is self-respect. You save money, time, and stress. Good habits feel small, but compound daily. Stay with me for the final message. Segment 19. Brother, now you know the secret of your ignition key. Most drivers never learn this. You are now ahead. Use this knowledge daily and share it. One last thing before we end. Segment 20. Buddy, if this helped you, like, share, and comment your experience with car starting habits. Your story may help someone else avoid costly mistakes. Disclaimer: this video is for general information only. Consult a qualified professional if your vehicle has special conditions or ongoing